Are you the type of driver who always expects the unexpected, especially when it comes to weather? Then you need a high-end wiper blade that endures through any sort of dirt, mud, rain, and winter spray. Peak Silicone Platinum is that blade. As our premium top-of-the-line beam wiper blade, Peak Silicone Platinum is engineered to last 4 times longer than standard blades and delivers complete visibility throughout every season. We're talking 2 million problem-free wipes. How did we do that? We've designed Peak Silicone Platinum wiper blades with quad-layered wiping element technology. Layer 1, an infused silicone compound that lasts 4 times longer than standard blades and protects against ozone, UV light, and extreme temperatures. Layer 2, an advanced coating for maximum durability and a quiet wipe. Layer 3, a water-repellent formula that coats your windshield as it wipes, so water just beads away. Layer 4, Talc Life technology that contains a proprietary talcum coating, ensuring the smoothest possible wipe. We could have stopped there, but we're Peak, so we went further. Peak Silicone Platinum wiper blades use beam blade technology and an aerodynamic asymmetrical spoiler designed to evenly distribute pressure across the entire wiping element, tightly hugging even the most curved windshields. What more could you want from a premium wiper blade? An easy snap universal connector system for quick and easy installation? And blades available in lengths of 13 to 28 inches? Done. Peak Silicone Platinum wiper blades. Performance you can see.